I just have a little short video for you today. I'm a bit busy around Christmas time, and editing obviously takes an awful long time. So it's just a little short video. I know we're after Christmas now, but I've been away for Christmas. So, time has been an essence, shall we say. I wanted to bring this video as a separate video. The last video on Saturday, I ended up here at the Stafford Link Canal, which links across to the River Sow, to actually get waterways back into Stafford again. Absolutely fantastic. All new waterways are greatly received by me. So I just wanted to show you what was going on here. So it's just a little short video of me filming where they're actually doing the work at the moment. Can't actually get into it, so you have to stand behind the fence. So it's not exactly close up particularly, but I think it gives you a gist of what's going on. I did want to add a little bit more to it, but when I tried to look it up on Google search, the information that's come up with is very, very little, and the two or three things did come up were contradicting each other. So I don't know quite which is right and which is wrong, so I haven't included it. Anyway, let's get on with this little video. So here it is. So the sign here, as we can see, says on here Stafford Riverway Link, and the arrow up over there says Stafford, which goes across here. Now what I believe is going on here is there's a link being put between the canal here, which was originally here, was the Stafford Canal, which comes across here onto the Sow, onto the River Sow, and there was a lock over here. I can just about see it, a sign over there in the distance. I can't actually read what it says from here. I think it says Fenny's Lock. Yeah. Work going on here at the moment. It'd be nice to see if this ever gets done in my lifetime. I wouldn't mind going into Stafford, which is over there somewhere. I think that's the outskirts of Stafford. We can actually see the town beyond that hill. So I believe the link is a link from the canal here, actually here, across here. It says there's a lock over there onto the River Sow, and then from the River Sow into Stafford. Well, that was all I actually filmed, but what I can tell you, the original link here opened in 1816, but it closed in the 1920s because it was a link for the coal, and the coal stopped being transported across on the Link Canal, so it just went into disuse and ended up by being closed. Of course, today it will get reopened and it'll become a tourist trap, because the old town of Stafford, I'm pretty sure, will encourage lots of boaters to go there. It's about 1.5 miles long, I believe, the navigable part of the River Sow, and of course the little link down, which I believe has to cross the River Penk to get to the River Sow. But yeah, anyway, let's hope it all gets done soon, and make a lovely little trip into Stafford from the Staffordshire and Worcestershire Canal. Well, that brings me to the end of this video, of course. A big thank you goes out to all my supporters of the channel, be it Patreon, PayPal, Super Thanks, channel members. Of course, I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. And with New Year just around the corner, I wish you all a very happy New Year. I'm hoping to get a video out on Saturday. I'm not promising yet, because as I say, I've been very busy over Christmas. I've been visiting family, and I was trying to take a little bit of time off of editing. Hence, this one's very short. If not, I'll see you all in the new year. I hope still to get one out Saturday just before the new year. Well, that just leaves me to say, of course, thank you very much for watching. A very happy new year. Trevor out.